For so long I was living my life, oh so wrong. Always
oh hi guys, what's up? So I'm here with Nadula Hair once more. So we're working with a V-part wig once more, so let's get into it. Today's wig that we're working with, guys, it's a V-part, as I mentioned before. This is a really cute curly texture. The curls look really nice and juicy and luscious and well defined. I love that. This is also a 22-inch V-part wig. It's of a natural color. As you can see, it's nice and full. So as usual, you know, this is how the V portion looks. It is lined with combs, so you can go ahead and stick into your braids and get it real nice and secure. I also see that they added another comb on the inside here, so you could, you know, secure it even more. And this wig cap that we're working today with is a breathable one. Very, very breathable, so you won't feel like your head is locked up, you know. I love that about this as well. Also, there is a adjustable strap in the back, so you could go ahead and secure it as tight as you want it to be. And yeah, it's a really nice V-part wig. Loving it. So, and there's a little bit of layers going on with it, so that's nice. So now that I've showed you guys the wig in detail, let's go ahead and install this. I don't have the straighest parting or anything, but yeah, I think that even adds to it looking more natural. So my parting is a little bit snap, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take my clips. That's the first thing you want to do. You know, take your clips and kind of stick them within your braids. Yeah, what I'm gonna do to make everything look more natural is, you know, I showed you in a previous vlog where I took some of the hair in the front here and kind of teased it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start teasing it first, you know, at the very base, and this will help with kind of camouflaging where the surge is. As I tease the hair, I'm gonna kind of like overlap it towards like my face, towards the front of my face. I'm kind of like just doing a whole motion where I'm kind of like tease, overlap. The more I do that, the more voluminous like the base is looking, and it's harder to detect a surge here. So you can definitely see the surge over here, but you cannot see anything over here. So we're just gonna do that on the next side.
for so long I was living.
That's how we're looking. Very simple, to the point. And you know, there are different ways that you could go ahead and conceal your V-part. You know, the hair looks really good. The texture is really nice. It's very soft. It's minimal shedding, by the way. Minimal shedding. So there's a couple strands on my hand. But yeah, that's how we're looking. It was very, you know, if anything, it will just take a little bit of time to, you know, tease it and stuff, but it's very convenient. It's a very convenient install. It's to the point. It's not very complex, you know, and I'm happy that I could again show you guys another wig option that is not necessarily a lace, and you could definitely, you know, style it and finesse it and make it work and look cute, you know. So I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to also check my description box for the direct link to this wig. Shout out to Nadula once more, and the specifications will be listed, so go ahead, check that out. But that's how we're looking, guys. That's how we're looking. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.